right, today we're going to bring a practice net for your golfers out there, right? This is an incredible little golf set that they include everything, including the balls, all right? And the tee off, and then different types of actual grounds, if you guys can see it. All right, they got 3 different types of grounds that you can see. The rough, look at this. It's really, really nice. And there's a hole here for the actual tee off too, if you want to tee off from there. They give you a target for your rangers, right? Look at that bullseye. So if you know how to set up a tent for camping, this is pretty much the same thing. You set this up, it's all together. You don't have to be worrying about, you know, extra accessories or anything like that. And at the end of the day, everything goes back in the bag, including the net and everything else. So, and you could take that too. It's very portable. So if you're going camping, outdoors, indoors, or you have a front yard, or so if you have a small real estate area where you're going to be able to set this up, this is perfect. Right now we have a yard. It's a little dirty here. I like to golf here, so I'm going to put this up. And at the end of the day, I just put it away. So we are going to put our pool, because pool season is coming on. So I'm going to put it on for a couple hours, take it off, and then when pool season's off, and then I have other places I can put it in the front yard or in the back. So right now we're going to set this up and see how it looks. All right, so here's the final product. This connection here connects to that corner, all right? That connection connects to this corner. So it crisscrosses on the top. I'm going to show you the inside, what I'm talking about. So this connection here runs across each other, if you guys can see that, to make it, it's like a camping house. If it doesn't fit on the corner properly, then you're doing it wrong. This is how it's supposed to be, all right? You got that extra depth in here. That's enough for you to hit. Swing should be taken from here, from the step here, so you won't swing away anywhere else. And you got plenty of room here. We're gonna set up in the corner the actual target. Got a little dirty already, but it's okay. It's meant to be dirty. So let's go ahead and try it out and take some swings. All right, I got plenty of room. Here in my backyard, I have lights, so I can swing at night too. There's a grass, all right, the 3 different courses that you have. Targets, here's some pockets in here. You guys can see, these actually just clip on the corner with elastic bungee cord, all right? You got the center board, all right? So if it's easy to adjust, easy to move, look at that, one hand. If it gets dirty, it's fine. This is outdoor proof, waterproof, sunproof. So, but once you understand it, it's going to take you like 10 to 15 minutes. So it's not bad. One person, I did this by myself. So if you're going to practice at home, you need a little bit of space. I'm going to actually get a measuring tape and measure, see how much space you need. Just to understand, I'm about 6 feet tall. And I'm going to show you how tall it is, first of all. All right. So it's way above me. All right. It's tall. Let's see how many inches or how many feet. And that's going to be about around 83 inches, 7 feet, actually 84, 7 feet, all right, 7 feet of clearance. So let's see, by the inside, you're gonna need about 5 feet, all right? So you need 7 by 5, all right? Because I know some of the description on the actual system doesn't give you the depth perfect size. So if you have a small little space in your backyard or maybe in your front, it's something you can set up. Let's take some swings.